Let's talk about Alchemy Pay. There is a storm going on outside. If you start hearing crazy sounds in the end, it became really scary. I'm just letting you know that there is a storm outside. Be prepared for it. Anyway, let's talk about Alchemy Pay. Its short form is ACH. It is sitting at 2.7 cents right now, as you can see. And I have covered this coin previously as well. Let's go and check as what the hell have we discussed about it previously, and then we take it from there. Okay, not group media, sorry. I'm just searching for it, ACH. Meanwhile, you can let me know if you're invested in this coin. What is your reason? Why are you in love with it? I'm always intrigued in finding out why do people invest in a certain coin. What do they look at? Okay, on 5th of March, 7th of March, I have covered this coin. 7th of April was 1 month. It's almost been 2 months, less 1 week. It's been 7 weeks since then. At that time, it was sitting at 2.489, 2.4 cents. I had a support at 2.5 cents. Right now, it is sitting at 2.7 cents. Things have not changed. It is pretty much where our support is. And of course, our first target is 3.3 cents. As long as Alchemy doesn't go below the area of 2.5 cents for more than 2 days, we don't expect Alchemy Pay to be on a downward journey. And the downward journey can be only assumed if Alchemy Pay loses the area of 2.5 cents and it creates 2 daily candles below that area. I'll show it to you where the hell is 2.5. So visually you could see it. If it goes below this area of 2.5 cents for more than 2 days, closes 2 daily candles bodies below it, then I would assume it has started the downward journey. If it doesn't do it, it will continue with the upward journey. Now the good news is you have a cup. This is the handle, and 2.5 cents is going to act as the bottom of the handle as well. So technically, even on the basis of this cup and handle, this is one ugly handle to begin with, but it is what it is. We would still expect Alchemy Pay to shoot up and go higher, and 3.3 cents is going to be an easy to achieve target without a problem on the basis of the structure that we are looking at it. And I think that is pretty much it. I don't see any problems with it. We do see one more structure that is there. Let's talk about that too. If we just want to be a bit aggressive with the structures, we have one bottom, we have another bottom, and again this structure is not invalidated, it is valid as well. It is at 2.9 cents, you can call it 3. So a deliverance on this structure can easily shoot it up as well. And again, once it starts flying, 3.3 is going to be our first target, but on the basis of this structure, it can actually easily send it closer to 4 cents. So all in all, it is in a good place. If it is going to get bullish, then this is the time for it to get bullish. After this, it is going to start getting bearish. 2.5 cents is your make and break situation. Losing 2.5 will make it bullish. Losing it will make it bearish. But if it doesn't lose 2.5 cents, first target 3.3, next target 4 cents. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.